A very good morning to all my dear participants. I am Dr. Vivek Nanoti, Principal, Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, and I am into engineering education for last 28 years. So, at the outset, let me thank the administration, the management of Julelal Institute of Technology for giving me an opportunity to talk to you all these elite, learned professors, administrators, heads of departments of various colleges across India. So big thank you to administration management of Julelal Institute of Technology as well as convener of this faculty development program, and I want to congratulate them that this is such an apt time when they have chosen this topic, which is so important: overcoming the challenges in adopting online teaching learning technologies. Every word is important. Overcoming, oh my god, this is a psychological term. We'll come to that thing. Overcoming. And then adopting. Adaptability is something so important. People are so reluctant about it. So overcoming, and yes, it's a challenge. So every word, it is so well coined. I once again congratulate to convener also for coining this title of their faculty development program. Friends, at the outset, let me understand that we have been blending our teaching since years, like maybe 8, 10 years, whatever, depending on the place and the institute which you belong to. We have been blending our teaching with respect to, adding PowerPoints, showing some videos to students, sending some quizzes to them. And I am very happy that they got a huge response, and I have a very varied audience today for my lecture for the measures for finding out this solution for this. Friends, when we say challenge, then I was just thinking about what are the challenges, and then this lockdown has given us the opportunity to switch over immediately. Like many were reluctant कि blackboard के बिना कोई मजा नहीं. Blackboard is something which is traditional, nothing can replace it. No friends, days are changing. Its technology is growing so fast and we need to adopt all of them. Unless we teachers adopt it, how students are going to adopt it? In fact, many a time students are quite ahead. They are more net savvy, they are more tech savvy than the teachers, and that is again a big challenge. It is almost creating a digital divide for teachers. Students are more tech friendly. So teachers have to update themselves. But still, I understand, like even my college, we have started for last almost 45 days now, 40 days. We have adopted online teaching, online learning, online assignment, online exams, multiple choice question, quizzes, everything online. And then I'm continuously taking feedback from the students. Even we have some students from very small places who shifted after lockdown to their own places which are very small, wherein. So I have listed what can be the challenges. So there are physical challenges and there are some other challenges. So what is the list of physical challenges? The very first people talk about is internet speed. Yes, because you have to download it. You need some app, you need this, that. Many of them do not have Wi-Fi at their places. They are staying in the rooms. So they have only a mobile data pack, which many a times doesn't support. So internet speed, I understand being one challenge, which is to be addressed, of course. Hardware at teachers end and students end, both. Like recently, I was, opting for new tools, like Zoom classes. Then Zoom had a different issue, and then we adopted for some other tools. One of the platform which I was searching, then they said, no, teacher cannot take classes on mobile. Teacher should have a laptop and it should have this and this configuration. So again, an hardware, challenge at teacher's end. Students, yes, some students have very poor quality mobiles. They say we are not, the audio is not clear. Even I am using headphones to record this video because I want that everyone should listen, very clearly. So, the student at the student's end and at the teacher's end, of course, there can be some physical hardware challenges need to be addressed. So first is internet speed, second is hardware challenges. Third is, you have computer, we have laptop, you have mobile, and then you lack in awareness about the new ICT based tools and the new apps. The students are scared of ये app download करना पड़ता है क्या? What must be the size? My mobile has a very poor RAM, and it has less memory, so it cannot sustain. If I download this app, it's so heavy that it will degrade the speed of my mobile working itself. So yes, awareness about the online tools and apps. This is again a third challenge. Yes, third challenge. Fourth, you have downloaded app. One of your friends have given, yeah, it is so easy. Come on, download it. And then what happened? Your hands-on experience, your mindset, you're not being able to do. And then I have seen people screaming and shouting, this is nonsense. Yeah. This app is worst. Oh my God. Few million people are using some app like a Google Classroom and all, and Google Handouts and Google Meet. Yes. Then there are people who find these apps useless. Why? Because they themselves lack in their hands-on experience on this. And so internet speed, hardware, awareness about tools, no hands-on experience, and fifth is also very important, non-availability of online self-made teaching material. See, YouTube is flooded. All online portals are flooded. You enter the topic on the Google, and you are going to get 25-30 videos on a very narrow topic of what you want to learn. But then why students will come to teachers? Let Google be their teacher. If they really want to learn from Google, they want to go for Udemy and Coursera and YouTube guides, then let them learn. Where is the need of teacher, friends? So teacher should have his own self-made teaching learning material, his own assignments, his own PowerPoints, his own videos, his own experience sharing in the language which his students understand, because he knows the level and the competency and the acceptance of the students of that subject, friends. So I could understand that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 important physical challenges. And what are other challenges are mindset challenges. I was recently attending one of the webinars 3 days back. Somebody called me. I mean, your emails, we all are experiencing, our emails are flooded with the options for taking up online exams and free courses and free webinars, this, that. So somebody was challenging a very free of cost, wonderful software for online teaching learning. So I attended that webinar, and to my surprise, there was a teacher who raised his hand for a difficulty, and he said, कुछ भी रहा तो हमारे ब्लैक बोर्ड का मज़ा नहीं, आपका सब्जेक्ट जमता होगा, but my subject needs blackboard. This is not a solution for my teaching learning in the classroom. No, I cannot accept. Amma, the reluctance. People are in love with blackboard. मेरे टीचर ने पढ़ाया था. My teacher, professor in 1985, 88, 1990, whatever. And the blackboard teaching, nothing can be replaced. Fine, my dear friends, I accept that yes, blackboard is very important, but days are changing. They are demanding. The new challenges are making you compulsory to adopt these new technologies. You cannot stick to the old things. Then love about face-to-face teaching. They talk about अरे वो चेहरे पे बच्चे का चेहरा देख के समझता है कि उसको समझा के नहीं. I truly accept, I endorse, yes, that there is an psychological connect when you are physically actually close with the students. You are actually roaming in the class, and then you find that you can check actually the facial expression, which you cannot see on online. You cannot see facial expressions. You cannot check body language. And the old teachers, senior teachers of mine also, my professors, they say, तूने जिस तरह से पैर हिला रहा है, तू जिस तरह से गड़बड़ कर रहा है, I can understand that there is no interest remained in you for this subject. I will stop teaching now. Fine. Body language, facial expressions, the fear, the respect about the teachers, these emotions which we teachers, like I am also into teaching for last 28 years and have seen tremendous and rampant change into the teaching methodologies, yes, I accept it was there. The personal touch, fine, but we cannot stick. They are good, but this is also not bad. This is need of an hour now. इसकी ज़रूरत है, हम क्या करें? It is needed. And then many teachers, I have 30 years of experience. Sorry, I mean, sometimes I feel like seniority is a boon or curse. People are reluctant to learn new things. And then accordingly, they'll start blaming to the new things. Don't teach me all this thing. I have learned from so-and-so XYZ foreign author book. I used to do self-learning. My professor used to scold me. And then what not, friends? I mean, we know all these stories. And so they are reluctant. I should not say, but many of them who come close to superannuation, age is also a challenge. Like they say, भाई मेरे तो 4 साल बचे हैं, मेरे तो 1.5 साल बचा है. And so why to get into all these new technologies, this, that, I'll finish up my syllabus and I want to retire. Sorry. Age is also a challenge, which is an outcome of your mindset. Who says teacher has to retire at whatever 58, 60, 62, 65, whatever college you belong to and whatever retirement age you have, who says that you have to stop teaching? And then the typical mindset of हमारे ज़माने में, right? I call this attitude as हमारे ज़माने में. Fine, your zamana was good, but days are changed. So हमारे ज़माने में. So the physical challenges we have seen. There is a list of 5, 6, 7 physical challenges, which are stopping us, which are reducing the very pace of adopting these new technologies, which is not good. And there are mindset issues which we have just now discussed. There are 7, 8, 10 mindset issues, adaptability issue, age issue. And the third important thing, there are teachers who are actually weak in subject, who are actually weak in communication skills, who do not have command on English or command on the language which is the learning media into that subject or course or branch or what. So actual वो कमज़ोर है. And then into the classroom, once you close the door, and fantastic, you speak in English and then you make an excuses that students of my college, my class are from very small places, they have difficulty in learning English, so I use Hindi and so I use regional language. Sorry, they have to write down their answer books in English only, or the language of medium in which they are learning. So you cannot, there are actual weaknesses, and hence also that is also a very big challenge, because I have asked, like, I have created many, you can log on to my YouTube channel Vivek Nanoti, and I keep uploading things. But when I ask all the teachers that why don't you on Sunday afternoon you just record your lectures and post it on a college YouTube channel, it will be permanent resource for the students, and people are reluctant. कल भूल गया सर, मेरा वो इंटरनेट स्पीड नहीं था सर, मैंने वो नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया, and then they have 100 reasons and they are reluctant to upload their own videos because of fear of, because class में कैसा होता है, it is one time, I teach and it is dissolved. But if it is recorded, if it is online, if it is on YouTube, if it is a permanent learning resource created through your teaching learning, then there are 100 audience. Even after 25 years, students and teachers will understand that what level of teaching you have. So friends, there is a fear, but you have to overcome. Why not on YouTube? Why? Teachers are actually making mistakes because they are reluctant about updation, friends. They are reluctant about updation, and adopting is what? Updation. So friends, I to understand, real teacher is, or effective teacher who ensures learning, who doesn't ensure teaching. What you are teaching doesn't matter unless students learn it. So I always understand that teacher is a real teacher who is a lifelong learner. The last date of retirement also I may have to learn. And understanding student psychology. These are the factors which were very easy when it was a closed door classroom. And online is a global platform. So teachers are, scared of. Let their small mistakes will be seen. How to handle that? Our mistakes will be public then. And if some other teacher of same subject watches my video and then he says, or you have made 3 blunder mistakes. So, teachers have that block कि कोई देख न ले, because they lack in confidence. So they have to overcome. This is one of the biggest challenge, I tell you. When it is online, very few are on the front line that yes, I want to make all my videos, I want to digitalize my entire teaching learning process of my classroom. This entire year, let us record my entire thing. So let there be 65 videos of 65 topic codes so that entire resources will be available. So, adjusting your teaching styles with respect to students' learning style is a point. Point is very important. Use of social media, yes. There are teachers who don't want to use social media. Without social media, it's impossible. If you are not on LinkedIn, if you are not on YouTube, if you are not on Facebook, how you are going to, use these online technology platforms? And not making their own teaching learning friendly. Students should find it very learning easily. So friends, in nutshell, we all need to improve. If I am a 10-year experience, 3 years experience or 30 years experience, I have to commit to one thing. Technology is changing so fast that I have to improve. And I remember Winston Churchill's, my favorite quote, to improve is to change. To improve is to change, and to be perfect is to change often. You need to change often. रोज नई टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी, रोज मुझे नया पढ़ना है, and you have to be a lifelong learner. So to improve is to change, and to be perfect is to change often. Daily I have to change. So change is the buzzword. बदलना तो पड़ेगा ही. Thanks. Sometimes I have blessing in disguise है ये. That Corona, COVID, they have made us to learn so many things on compulsion. Suddenly we are locked down in the places, our syllabus were incomplete, some exams were left, students went to their places, hostels are vacant, some are locked out in hostels. Sudden change. And the biggest challenge, which we should have adopted earlier also, which we were trying to, of course, but we were not 100% into it, मौका मिल गया हमको. So this I will call blessing in disguise, that every teacher now has to go online, has to adopt online teaching learning process. And Charles Darwin statement is so relevant here. It is not the strongest species that survive. You are very strong. I am doctorate from IIT, whatever. It is not the strongest species that survive, nor the most intelligent. I have command on physics. I have command, I am master, I have this, that, I have 200 research papers in Scopus. No. It is not the strongest species that survive, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. Change is the buzzword. The number one is change, and number two is adaptability. And that is the very title of this course. That is the title of my subject, of my topic. So, person can survive only if he or she, he can be teacher, he can be student, if only he or she is adaptable to the change. So gone are the days when we were happy that what I want to teach. I used to plan about आज मेरे को ये पढ़ाना है. Now friends, the second thing option is very important. How I want to teach. What we teach, how we teach, which videos, which teaching media I am going to use, which methodology I should adopt for this topic, which ICT tools, which app I should use in the classrooms. So how is equally important now friends with what. क्या पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है. What we have to teach, we are masters. We are masters into that. I am MTech, somebody is MTech, somebody is MSc, somebody is MA. So we are masters into that subject, so not issue. What we teach is fine, we are done, it's already considered, but how we teach should be a major concern, or rather should be given equal importance. This is so important, friends. So 20 minutes are over, I am watching my clock there. We'll take a 2 minutes break and we'll come down to the actual solutions to all these challenges, physical, mindset, this, that, all that what I have talked up till now. I'll share a wonderful, my efforts made to create a PowerPoint presentation. I'll share with you after just 2 minutes break. Thank you so much, organizers, for telecasting my this first video, and see you all in another just a break of 2 minutes, and I'll be sharing my PowerPoint presentation and we will discuss in detail, and then at the end of the PowerPoint presentation we have a scope of question answer session, and I'll be happy if I can satisfy your queries. Thank you so much. See you immediately after 2 minutes.